If you follow the channel and our trip around Australia, you've probably guessed it, we are still in Perth and we're still waiting on our caravan to be repaired before we can hit the road. But really it's been a blessing in disguise. The WA riding scene has been unreal. We have made so many rad friends through the mountain biking community, explored world-class riding destinations, reconnected with family, and raced mountain bikes. And while we are officially stuck here, I don't want to miss the opportunity to race what could be Australia's shortest downhill mountain bike race. This thing is so small. That's what she said. We are racing in one of the oldest towns in Western Australia, known for its canola fields and its big mountain, Mount Bakewell. Mount Bakewell has a peak of 415 metres. But that is not where we're racing this weekend.
You're racing on Mount Bakewell?
It's a lot smaller than Bakewell, but what it lacks for in size, it makes up for in rocks. Heaps and heaps of rocks. The downhill track is only 530 metres long, but it's relentless. So let's jump into qualifying. Yeah, and you're just bouncing around rocks going around a corner. It's hard. And if you're new to downhill racing like me, today is qualifying day. But first up, we have track walk. This track looks so rocky when you walk it. This gives us riders a chance to look at the features before hitting them on the bike. But personally, I feel like this just makes things look harder than what they really are. It's actually hard to walk down, which makes it scary. We'll just cruise.
Just roll the whole thing first.
Everyone ready?
Yeah, mate.
Yeah, go up.
Oh, right here.
First run down. Oh. Oh my God. I was feeling so crap on my bike. I forgot my riding shoes and I couldn't even keep my feet on my pedals. Plus, I'm just riding way too rigid. Oh my God, that was loose.
Oh, that's easy, that. Mate, you just missed that. Mate, that track is right up my street. Everything about that track is what I like. Everything about that is on point for me. I'm happy, very.
And while Lance lets everyone know how much he loves this track, I did not feel comfortable at all. Fucking, because I've left my shoes at home. I can't keep my feet on, bro. My feet are bouncing around all over the place. I'm blaming my shoes and not even enjoying riding my bike. Has the shortest downhill track in Australia already got the better of me? I want to try to get used to these shoes.
What about
the gap?
Yeah.
I'm not going to hit it yet.
Nah.
I just want to, I'm still feeling a bit like stiff. And the gap we are talking about is one of the sketchier sections on this course. It starts with a steep winding chute, but then you have to straighten up for a jump over a creek. I've hit this in the past in a gravity enduro race. But today is not going smoothly. Everyone ready?
Dissidents, all who's left around you can't be the chief without a VP.
Whoa, that was the gap. The gap I said I wasn't going to hit. Yes, I nearly crashed into 2 trees, but this is exactly what my confidence needed to get my head back into the game. Yeah!
Right up.
Oh, that was quick. Oh, woo-hoo-hoo. That was loose. Oh, we're alive. Now I'm ready.
That'll do. Definitely could have gone quicker at the top, but I'll take it. We're alive. That's the main thing.
Yeah.
I did 116, you did 115, you did 122. How does that make you feel?
Nah, you fucked up, man. No, I was gonna tell you. You were standing on the mat.
Yeah.
Big time. I'm serious.
Shut up.
I actually screwed up twice today though. I forgot my mountain bike shoes, so I was riding in my casual shoes. And for my qualifying run, I actually put my front wheel over the timer, so my qualifying time had about 15 seconds thrown on top of it. But you know, they say it's easier to be the hunter than the hunted. Yeah, I'll see you back in York for the race. So keen. Such a fun day. The boys stayed in York last night and I'm hoping they got really blind and I can just roll down and take the win. Even though my qualifying run wasn't accurate, I'm feeling confident. The track is so short and I know how to ride all the hard sections, so how hard can this race really be? Jane, yeah.
Yeah, all right. Can I get you to...
Sweet.
Oh, that'll do, donkey. I fucked up right before that last shoot. I was sick though. I'll go watch the boys come down.
I finished in 15th in my age category, and to be honest, I wasn't stoked on my result. One little slip up on such a short track can really make or break it. So how hard is the shortest downhill race in Australia? Bloody hard. But hey, at least I beat Lance.
You beat me by one
Come
position.
on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I fucked up down here.